to my channel, Rachel Reviews. We have a Stitch Fix today. The best Stitch Fix. Here we go. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix before and you would like to, I'll leave a referral link down below. You get $25 towards your first box. I would get $25 as well if you want to check it out. We're opening up our box today with our trusty, rusty screwdriver. And I already made a little note on it. So yeah, Stitch Fix also has the freestyle feature, which is just their shop, where you can just, you know, buy things from their shop. The one thing I wish is, like, I wish if you were buying a lot of things from your shop all at once, they kind of gave you a discount like they do when they send you things. They send you the mailer to send back the things you don't want to keep. I feel like I'm kind of off kilter, but that's fine. Who isn't? And yeah, let's read our stylist note. We'll see what stylist we have. We had Sailor the last two times. Still Sailor. Hi Rachel, happy Fix Day. I'm so sorry the pieces in the Fix preview were still too expensive. I tried as best as I could to stay as close to your stated price point as possible. The only piece that was on the higher side was the Vegas jeans. I like Vegas. I picked one thing from the Fix preview. I know you were looking for some dark wash jeans, and these were the lowest priced option we had right now. But they are of great quality and will be a fun change up from your skinnies. All of the tops I also added for you will work well with these jeans. To start with getting you into that spring mindset, you have the Bobo tee and Paper Moon blouse to pick from. Let me know how everything is fitting and if you have any new requests for next time. Cheers, Sailor. Thanks, Sailor. Bobo tee. Okay. Okay. And then we'll go over prices and you know, everything at the end. You know the drill. If you don't know the drill, that's the drill. Here's our bundle. She's cute. She's pretty. She's a little springy. Let's do it. All right. Crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. Here we go. Okay, no. First up, this is that tee by Bobo, she said. It's very satiny. Bobo, wash satin tee. That's why. Very satiny. On the Fix note, they also have pictures of the items they sent and ways to wear them. And it does say Peyton's Sleep and Lounge Wash Satin Collection Drop Shoulder Tee, so I can see how sleeping in it would feel nice. I feel like maybe I'd feel weird wearing it out. It does say lounge too, but there's some loose strings on it, so it's a really pretty color though. I do really like the color. Next we have the Paper Moon Coralie tie sleeve blouse in light green. It has a little cutout in the front, has a zipper in the back. We'll see if it fits because it doesn't have any stretch, except for in the arm, which is where you don't really need stretch sometimes, and it has a little tie. But I like the polka dots. And then we have Market and Spruce Hannah V-neck long sleeve tee in olive with a little pocket. I have really been liking the long sleeve tees lately, especially V-neck ones. And it's Market and Spruce, so it is kind of long. I've been tucking my shirts in lately. Ooh. This is the one item I picked from the preview. It's a cardigan. It's really soft. The Love Ellie a la herringbone knit cardigan in olive. And it has pockets. See that herringbone kind of pattern? I liked this. Again, I don't really have many cardigans lately. And then the Vegas jeans boot cut. I don't have any boot cut anything because, you know, I'm in my 30s. I don't know. You know, I'm of the skinny jean generation. Vegas Shasta boot cut jean in indigo size 14W. We'll try a boot cut, I suppose. Why not? All right, let's try everything on. Here's the satin tee. I like the color, but I do not like the material. Again, I think it would be fine for sleeping, but no. Not my favorite. Not my favorite material. I'll put that in there. No satin. No. Here is the cardigan. We'll do a 2-for-1 on this one. My finger doesn't get caught. This This is really soft. This cardigan is super soft. Has the herringbone. We'll back it up a little bit. Real time. Here's cardigan. Pockets. Soft. Nice. Green. Adjective. 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 Now this top doesn't look so bad underneath something. Like that's kind of nice for the different sheen and texture. But on its own, not loving it. It kind of shows everything. But it's kind of nice with the cardigan. Static galore. But cardigan's cute. I like it. Let's try on the rest. These are just my regular jeans. They're not the boot cut ones yet. But I like the cardigan. Okay, let's do more. I can't do a boot cut jean. I'm having PTSD flashbacks. I can't do boot cut jean. Nope, these are gonna drag. They're gonna drag in the water and they're gonna creep up and I'm having high school flashbacks. I can't do it. Nope. Nope. No, won't do it. Okay, but they're Vegas, so they're very comfortable and the wash is very nice and they fit well up here. But no, I cannot do a boot cut. Here's the Market & Spruce top. I have it tucked in. It's fine, it's just a t-shirt. I'll untuck it for you so you can see the length. Da-da-da. Here's the length. So it is long, so you can wear it with like leggings or whatever. But it is just a t-shirt and, you know, all that jazz. Okay, I'm gonna put my regular jeans back on and we'll put on the last top. Here's the last top. I blend into the wall. But here's the polka dots. It does have polka dots. It's just when I stand back there, you can't really see it. It has a nice cutout. I think that's really nice. Tuck my necklace over. I think it drapes nicely for not having any stretch, except for here, which you don't need. I'm not a fan of these on the sleeves because they hit me and I don't like it. And here's the back. The back does have a zipper. You can see it. So yeah, this is a nice top. It'd be nice for work in the spring. Very springy shirt. It's around the corner, hopefully. I just don't know if I love it. I don't know if I love anything in particular in this box, but let's go over prices and we'll see how much everything is. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already and you like these kinds of unboxings. Prices. Okay, the Vegas Jagger boot cut in indigo, size 14W, $68. That's pretty standard for Vegas. I love Vegas jeans, just not those ones. The Bobo Payton, excuse me, Payton Sleep and Lounge Wash Satin Top and Blush, size XL, $30. The Love Ellie a la Herringbone Knit Cardigan in Olive, size XL, $48. The Paper Moon Coralie Tie Sleeve Blouse, light green, $44. And the Market & Spruce Hannah V-Neck Long Sleeve Tee in Olive, size XL, $36. Whole box, $226. Buy everything. They take 25% off when you buy everything in the box, and it'd be $169.50 for the whole box. So that's not a bad box price, I think. I don't know if I loved anything in it. The closest thing would be the cardigan that I liked, but my hair's bugging me today. But I don't think I'm gonna keep it. I don't think I'm gonna keep anything in this box, Sailor. So that's a little disappointing, but that's okay. Sometimes boxes are like that, you guys. I don't always keep everything, obviously. I usually only keep one thing from a box. But sometimes I don't keep anything, and that's okay. I have a style pass, so Stitch Fix is a style pass for the year. It's $49, and then you don't have to have a styling fee with every box. So it's not like I'm losing out on anything. So yeah. But I get to show these to you guys, and maybe you guys loved something, and maybe you want to request it. So that's kind of the upside of these boxes. Maybe someone else will like them. I'm sure a lot of people will. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna go have some iced coffee, and not that it seems like I need it, but as I do this, I'm gonna go have some iced coffee and I gotta go run some errands. So yeah, you guys have a great day. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you next time.